Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be carrying on with some DIY work in my new house. So we've started off with the living room. So we've basically started painting the walls. The whole living room was fully white before. So this is the colour scheme that we're going for. Just let my camera focus. So we've got like a navy blue on the top half of the wall, and we've got like a very light grey at the bottom. We're keeping the doors white and this sort of middle edging piece white as well, because we think it looks quite nice having those three colours together. We've recently painted our radiator, so it was white originally, but we've changed it to like a satin black. So this was a spray paint that I bought, so it's specially designed for metal, especially radiators as well, because it's resistant to the heat that the radiator produces. I didn't actually record a video of me showing how I did this, but I will be painting another radiator in my house pretty soon, so I will definitely be showing you how I did that in another video. Another thing that we've done is that we have created this geometric design on the wall. So this is like a feature wall for our living room. So this is using the same navy as this wall here, but we've added these gold lines. And yeah, we saw this online a few times on YouTube and TikTok. We saw other people doing it and we really liked how they done it, so we thought we'd give it a go, see if we could pull it off, and I think we did a very good job. Again, I didn't actually record a video on how I did this, but if we do something similar in the future in another part of the house, then I will definitely be recording a video and explain how I did it. But yeah, we're very happy with how this turned out. It looks really nice. So that's our feature wall, and we're going to be carrying on painting the rest of the house. So if I just move across here, so we're going to be carrying on the same colour scheme onto these walls here. So we can see that top section where I've started masking the tape, all of that will be navy, along with this top wall here, and then the bottom bit here, along with the bottom of the window, and all of that will be the grey colour. So I have already started masking off the edges at the top, and I've done some of the bits over here as well. So I'll be finishing that off, and then once that's done I will be getting ready to paint the blue. Another thing that I've done, or another thing that I do when preparing the walls, is that because this wall it's got like a texture, it's not completely smooth. There were some little lumps and bumps on it, so what I did was quickly ran it over with some sandpaper and a sanding block just to make the wall a bit smoother. After you've done that, just get a damp cloth, like a microfiber cloth, and just wipe the entire wall just to make sure that there's no excess dust on the wall, and then just let it dry for about 10-15 minutes. And once you've done that and you've masked all the areas off, then you're good to go with the painting. So that's how I prepared these other walls here. So yeah, I will catch you guys later on once I'm ready to start painting. So I'm just about to start painting the navy. This is the colour that we've chosen. It's called Sapphire Salute. It's a matte finish and it's from Dulux. Got my roller tray, roller and paintbrush. I finished masking off the rest of the bits. and also covered any switches with masking tape as well, and also unscrew them so that I can get the paint behind it. And so yeah, we're going to start painting. So the first bit I'm going to start off with is all the edging. So everywhere where I've marked off with the tape, I'm just going to be painting a thick line with the paintbrush, because the paint roller can't go right into those corners, so you just want to leave a little line of paint so that when you do come to rolling it on, you don't have to go all the way to the edge and risk getting paint onto other parts of the wall where you don't want it. So just going to be using my paintbrush, and all I'm going to be doing is simply just painting within that gap, just like that. So I'll be doing that the whole way round. So I've just finished doing all of the edging. As you can see, I've done a pretty neat job all the way around, and even above the door and on the side, which was quite difficult to do, but I managed to do it. So now we can start using the roller and getting the whole wall blue. So I've just finished putting on the blue paint. I've only put 2 coats on because it is quite a thick paint and it looks fine with 2 coats. So that's the top half of the wall done. I've also fitted the digital thermostat for the heating system. So that basically is in the same place as where the old system was. I've put the old light switch back for now. We will be changing that to a different one. So that's all of that done. I've put that side of the blinds down since I won't be working on that side anymore, but I've left this one because I will need access to this corner bit here. So yeah, the next step is to mask the bottom area where the grey paint will be going. So that's the next thing to do. So I've just finished taping the bottom half of the wall. So I've masked up this wall here and this one all the way up here as well. The lighting isn't very good in this room at the moment. That's the bulb there. It's pretty useless. But yeah, we'll be changing that to a brighter LED one. But yeah, it's getting a bit dark now, but I'm going to try my best to get this finished tonight. So yeah, going to start with the same process as doing the blue paint. So we're going to do the edges first and then go onto the roller. The grey paint is a bit thinner because it's we can take a look at the tub here. It's a Dulux Easy Care and it's Goose Down is the name of the colour. The paint is a lot thinner than the blue one, so on the other walls we ended up doing about 3 coats. So we first do 2 coats, let it dry for a couple of hours and then put the final coat on at the end, and that's how we did the other walls there. So I've done 2 coats of the grey paint and it's looking really nice. You can see it with the blue all along here. So I just need to wait for this to dry, maybe an hour or 2. The room is quite hot, so the paint is drying pretty quickly. So once that has dried, I will give it one final coat and then I can peel off all of this masking tape. So I've just finished the 3rd and final coat of the grey paint and I've removed all of the masking tape, so you can see here everything is done. Just a couple of bits left to do, so I need to just wipe the glass on this window, put the other side of the blinds back. This wire for the TV aerial, it needs to be put back so it goes over the door, around that door frame, along the skirting board here. And I will be putting a TV stand and TV here, and the TV stand is one that I actually made in college and it's currently black and red, so I will be changing it to these 2 colours. So yeah, that will be fun to do. That will be in another video. So let's get the rest of this done. Okay, so it's now the morning and you can now see that the living room is fully painted all the way around. and I've also put the sofa and the other furniture back in place. So the only couple of bits that we've got left is our dining table. So I've actually bought a used dining table which I will be upcycling, so that will be in another video. And I've also ordered a grey dining bench, so it's the same style as these two chairs, but it's in a bench layout so it can sit two people. So once those two bits of furniture are in, that will complete the living room. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, just give it a like, subscribe as well for any future videos, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching.